Quick disclaimer before we get started. I am not a financial advisor. The purpose of this video is to document my investing journey and to give you all some insight on what I like to do with my money. If you are in need of financial advice, I would recommend meeting with a financial advisor. Now that I've got that out of the way, I hope you enjoy the video. Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 4 of my monthly portfolio update. This month, I'll be covering the changes made to my portfolio in October and provide a recap of the dividends made in this month. But before we get started, I would also like to mention my other channel, Unlucky Gaming, where I upload my gaming content. I'm currently playing Assassin's Creed 2 with a consistent upload schedule every other day. If you enjoy the content on either of my channels, feel free to show your support by liking and subscribing. With that all out of the way, let's move on with the portfolio update. October was an interesting month in multiple ways. When it comes to my portfolio, it beat July in terms of dividends made, but somewhat missed my expectations. I personally thought I would eclipse $20 in dividends, but I just missed the mark. November looks like it is going to impress me as I am expecting around $22 to $23. I'm still loving the market right now. Everything stock-wise is cheaper, and it's a great time to average down if you're a long-term investor. Accumulating shares, reinvesting, and holding long-term is a great way to form a compounding process that produces passive income. I am currently in the search for work as well as in the search of an internship for the summer of 2023. This means that unfortunately I was unable to contribute to my portfolio this month. There was a change though. I previously stated that I'm not looking to expand my portfolio anymore and I'm thinking about potentially combing through and removing companies. This was seen last month when I sold Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing and put the money into Intel. But this month I decided to sell TC Energy and move the money into Walgreens. No specific reasons for Walgreens, just picked a random company for my portfolio. This transaction was a sell for $46.11 and then a purchase of Walgreens for $47.00, giving me 1.3 shares. This brings my Walgreens position to 10.05 shares at an average cost of $45.30. In dividends, I made a total of $19.69, with $5.74 coming from Coca-Cola, $1.50 coming from Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, $4.17 coming from Altria, 35 cents coming from Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, $1.40 coming from Realty Income, $1.29 from Stag Industrial, 58 cents from TC Energy, $1.63 coming from SPDR's S&P 500 ETF, and $3.03 coming from JP Morgan. All of these dividends were reinvested, therefore contributing to the compounding process, except for TC Energy and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, who were sold, but the money has been reallocated into different parts of my portfolio. Another reason October started off interesting was with the rally that opened up at the start of the month and over here on the second half of the month. Yesterday we saw another federal funds rate increase by the Fed. This increases the rate that banks charge other banks to borrow money. This is important because it helps fight against inflation, which is currently very high, but we'll know more on November 13th when CPI releases. What we know now is that the federal funds rate is sitting around 4%. We also know that the Fed is currently looking to increase that rate again by 50 basis points in mid-December. Personally, I think this comes down to what we see in November and December 13th, when we receive the CPI index for each month. I could easily see another 75 basis point increase if inflation is still growing. I've done some additional research and have found that I'm not really the only one that thinks this. I scrolled through this Bloomberg article earlier today and found that what the economists are saying is that we could see another 0.75 increase, and to be honest, I'm kind of sitting there with them. I'll go ahead and link this Bloomberg article down below. If you don't subscribe to Bloomberg, you do get one free article a day, I'm pretty sure. So if you haven't used your article today, you should be able to read this. Overall, I think we're still in a great time to invest. The recession is coming and it's a great time to pick up stocks at a discounted price. Looking at the year-to-date of the S&P 500, we're currently down 21% since the beginning of the year, and experts like JP Morgan's CEO Jamie Dimon think that we could see markets going down another 20%. I think this is a great time to invest, especially going into the future. Millionaires and billionaires say that recessions are the time to add some zeros at the end of your net worth, and I'm looking to be one of those people. I will continue investing in my portfolio once I become employed. That way you can see my active trading strategy while I am getting steady cash flow. But for the meantime, I will continue reinvesting dividends and slowly averaging down. I'll be sharing my Robinhood link down in the description with you below. I enjoy sharing my Robinhood link with you guys because it almost opens an opportunity for you guys to start your own journey. I know a lot of people who are currently on the fence about investing. They keep thinking it's not a good time to invest, or they're waiting for the right time to invest. It's just, I'm a firm believer that there's no good time to buy. I think the best time to buy is constantly and the most consistently that you can do. So I will be linking my Robinhood link in the description below. I link it on both my channels because I just want to see what other people do. I would love to see somebody else start their own journey, and please share your progress with me. I'd absolutely love to see it. But I will note again that I am not a financial advisor. If you're looking for advice on what to do with your money, I would recommend seeking out a financial advisor. With that all being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to drop a like and subscribe. If you're interested in my gaming content, check out my other channel, Unlucky Gaming. This will be linked in the description below. And with all that out of the way, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next month.